Welcome to the channel, Exp0se. Now, if you're new to the channel, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, it has been rumored that those seen on camera with Noel Maitland and allegedly involved in the disappearance of Donna Donaldson are worried that Noel Maitland might talk. Now, Andre Stevens and Dr. Love exposed this and stated that a confession and the possibility of a plea was being discussed with prosecutors. Now, me hear what I want, they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Confession.
Oh, you so sure Miss Sophia will get the confession, brother?
She will get the confession. She won't get the confession. Trust me.
I don't believe that.
Neither.
If the boy never confess already.
If him did I go confess, him would have confessed already.
Him not have no choice now.
What do you mean by him not have no choice, Dr. Love?
Him not have no choice. Him have to talk. When it becomes a problem and everybody feel it, you have a time when the party is over. I know it's the reality of life. Pick your choice which one it is. Understand? I'm going to talk.
Let's see that.
I don't know if him going to talk, Dr. Love, because if him not talk, at almost 7 months now and him not talk, when you think him going to talk?
Him going to talk. Trust me for now and then. Him have no choice but to talk. You know, me, I listen to, you know, I've been dealing with this case for a long time. And it don't really hit me until tonight. And when it hit you in a way, this is when you have to go into the box and use every power and everything you have. You will talk.
No, I don't know, but just as though Angela point out, if him never talk, him go way past the point. Want to the interviews, want to when the investigation was being conducted before it reached the point where them gather all of the evidence and present it to the prosecutors. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you feel like him would talk. At this point, I know Miss Love wants closure. She wants justice and she wants closure. And at this point, even though the prosecutors were the ones who pointed out that him and another individual were seen on the CCTV cameras, they've never named that individual and they have never hinted at pressing charges against this individual. Whether because him already cooperate with law enforcement, however the case may be. The focus is still on Noel Maitland and he is the individual being prosecuted for the death and disappearance of Donna Donaldson. Now, the murder trial is set for 2023, based upon all indications. And as the tabloid stated, in 2022, the disappearance of Donna Donaldson, along with the slaying of Kemisha Wright and her children by their cousin, were two news headlines that Jamaicans unitedly voiced their opinions about, saying that the senseless crime and violence will take place on the island. And the people also point out that these crimes and the evidence that were gathered were not done so under any state of emergency. It was done so by the hard-working men and women of law enforcement who investigated the case. And Donna Donaldson disappearance also brought an issue that people have noticed but not really discussed much for quite some time. But we'll read the headlines and see it happen regularly enough. Even recently, in Manchester, a man take the life of his wife and then take his own life. These domestic crimes also take place. And in most instances, these crimes are crimes where individuals take it too far. They go from an argument till they get physical. Now, speaking of that, some have also said that the statement by Maitland that they did indeed argue over a photo is close to a confession enough. With some even wondering if it was premeditated, seeing that him go pick up Donna Lee and then bring her to his apartment. She never there in my yard. I him go pick her up. Was this something that planned for do all along? Boy, someone say if the bail judge, the judge where I preside over the bail hearing, refuse to give him bail just on the evidence that they might use at the bail hearing. They have stronger evidence to use at the murder trial. And if people keep that in mind, or people have that in mind, that the prosecutors have stronger pieces of evidence to present during the murder trial itself. That's why they don't present all of the pieces all at once at the bail hearing. So if the judge has said no, based on all that is presented, no bail. Based on all that is presented, they may even go as far as to say them feel like the training was used, the experience within the force was used. At this point, I don't know, maybe even the defense attorneys, I wonder how it not play out. You see me? I know just try seek a plea. Even them say the way them go see it being those evidence after evidence that's being presented, them I wonder what happened. So at this point, it's still unclear why Maitland has refused to cooperate with law enforcement. Even though them charge him for obstructing burial, him still a say no know the body there. He get an additional charge. Strange. You know? Now people are speculating and say other individuals have either long cooperated with law enforcement or are still worried that Maitland might still talk. Of course, we are discussing some other stories currently making headlines today. No, on to the other stories. Now, I don't know what is Popcaan. King White, Minister Bonaf. And now people are point to what they go on with jelly buds. Now this all started when Popcaan said they're going to expose some of the people who control dancehall music. Now Popcaan ex-girlfriend says she have the videotape. Just like jelly buds, she has a videotape with she and Popcaan. Maybe couldn't hear what I will continue the reason. Look and listen.
Highlight says Popcaan loves B0dy.
But why? What kind of lies there to tell on people? You lying to your fans. You keep lying to them. Tell them that you're a freak. It is not him. A man who wants to with me. As a matter of fact, we actually have a tape. Let me even say that. We're not going to say something like that. You people are so delusional. I have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I don't even know why I even texting my phone. Because of that crate. This is like 2 days ago. It wasn't borrowed from me, sir. The man that told me, I'm not going to tell me, send me a mad over the man. Like, who the fuck you think it is? I'm the 876 God. You should do your research. I do no research. Who tell you? It's not Popcaan. Well, fine. What do one have to do then? You're a fucking... What? Yes, it's not him. Fine, it's not him. It is not him. Yeah, I'm a liar and it's not him. Him can't come out and say no at all because he knows everything is true. And that is fine. It is fine.
Now, fans of Popcaan have stated that this all started when Popcaan decided to talk about the people who I try to stop some artists from going certain place and put certain artists at certain spot and certain place in the dancehall music, which he never apologized for, but then they quickly delete the tweet and try to remove the video. By that time, social media did already see it. After that was a TJ. Give our next version our take place. We have Valiant Talk. And now we have Popcaan ex-girlfriend. Some fans have said these are after just rumors. She after just said them things that because she and Popcaan in her vibe right now. And you know what I mean? She just said these things. But you have to remember live, she live. And while being live, people are type things in the comment section and she respond to what they must say. So that's the things that she say. She basically has said them in response to things that people are saying in the comment section. So that's why she said, what make him not telling us? And at one point, people was also questioning the authenticity of the voice recordings. I say, yo, Anna Popcaan, that and this and that. And she have to try to prove her point. And that is how the video talk come about. Because I guess it moved from the point of she explaining what take place in the relationship, why them not like no more, to she having to almost prove say the relationship even take place, or prove say they were actually together. So when she starts to these things, people are say, yo, proof. And she say, what? At the video, no what? Revealing that, yeah, them have a video. Was she the one recording? Who was the director in the situation? With the video with Jellybads, it seems as if, and Jellybads has never confirmed or denied the video. What happened is that social media quickly realized that Popcaan start distance himself. And that's what social media did use to confirm, say, alright, Jellybads. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Tell me feel like, just a say them thing. You know what I mean? It don't really go so. Or has Popcaan been exposed? No, sir. It couldn't go so. Popcaan couldn't overdo it. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, it's a pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.